Yo, what's up guys, I'm back and today we're going to be making a YouTube video. This YouTube video is going to be about this crazy thing that my my nerd friend said. It's going to be like a NERF war or something like that. Yeah, but I was just like, oh yeah, chill, Bush gang, and I was like, yeah, there's going to be no NERF war. Wait, bro, what was that? Bro, what was that? What was that? Something was over there. Something was coming from over here. Bro, chill out.
Yeah, bro. You thought bro. Alright, I got a Nerf gun. I'm about to shoot you, and you about to tell me everything, okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
Sure.
And let me tell you, these ain't no plastic Nerf bullets. I have them darted up, alright? I put some thumbtacks in here, so unless you want to bleed out, you're going to tell me everything, alright?
Yo, bro, chill out, bro. For real, chill out.
Stop moving!
Okay, chill out.
Stop moving!
Okay, chill out.
What team are you on? Huh? Orange or blue?
I don't even know, bro. I don't even know about this team
bro,
stuff.
you probably on orange, lion, bro. Thinking you were just a neighborhood guy. Nah. Alright, blue team rules. So,
yo, bro,
I'm gonna tell you,
chill out, bro.
Chill out, bro.
Chill out, bro. Chill
Orange
out.
or blue?
Bro, I don't even know, bro. Chill out, for real.
You're an orange. I already know that. Alright, hands behind your back. I'm gonna get you. Yeah, that's right. Keep on recording. I don't want my face in this video. Alright? Hey, stop moving. I'm gonna probably trade you with another prisoner. My friend got a prisoner on the orange team. Time. Where's the orange? Where's the blue?
He might be
Where's
coming.
the orange?
He might be coming right now, bro. I really don't know. I just
Man,
called
I
him
don't
up
want
right
to
now.
look at your ugly face. Man.
I want to be talking with your nerdy gun. Look yourself with your nerdy glasses, boy.
Nerdy gun.
With your $2 Apple Watch.
Nerdy gun, right? That's
Yeah, boy.
Thumbtacks.
Bro, chill out, bro. I'm just joking, man. Chill out, bro. Chill out. For real.
Saying why, bro.
Bro, chill out.
Y'all be saying y'all playing. Y'all are playing. Man, I want to kill you right here, right now. But I want my best friend back.
Bro,
yeah.
you'll get your best friend, but just don't hit me, man.
They're coming. They're coming. Hey, yo! Move behind me! This guy's my friend! I'm gonna kill this guy!
Yo, we don't even know him.
What? Oh, let me grab him.